In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a recurring task in Clickup. This feature is incredibly useful for managing tasks that regularly repeat, ensuring you never miss a beat with your ongoing responsibilities. Let's begin by opening Clickup and directing your attention to the home screen where you'll find the Tasks or List view, depending on your setup. Ensure you're prepared to create a new task, which can serve as the template for your recurring entry. Click on the button to initiate a new task creation. This instantly opens a task window where you can input all the necessary details such as the task name, a concise description, and any other pertinent information like priorities or tags that will help in organizing your workflow more effectively. Once your task is all set, you want to find the option to make it recurring. You'll typically locate this in the Task Details section, often represented by a small circular arrow icon or simply labeled as recurring. Clicking on this will display a series of options allowing you to define the parameters of your recurrence. You can set the frequency whether daily, weekly, or monthly or customize it to match your specific schedule. This feature is flexible enough to cater to any unique requirements you might have, ensuring complete control over your task management. It's also worthwhile to take advantage of the advanced settings offered in this section. For instance, you can choose the start date of your recurring task, decide if it ends after a certain number of occurrences, or if it continues indefinitely. This flexibility allows you to either handle finite projects or those ongoing commitments seamlessly. In addition, you can determine if subsequent instances of the task generate upon completion of the previous instance or at the set time, providing adaptability based on your workflow. To enhance this process further, consider adding task dependencies or assigning it to a specific team member, if applicable. This ensures that all collaborators are adequately informed and aware of the timeline and their roles, promoting efficient teamwork and communication. Before finalizing, double-check all the information to ensure accuracy, as it will affect subsequent instances of the task. Now, with everything set, it's time to save your changes. As you do this, your task will automatically transform into a recurring task, visible in your Tasks view. You can always verify this by looking for recurring icons next to your task or revisiting the task details to see when the next occurrence is scheduled. Remember, this setup is not of the set it and forget it kind. It's customizable at any time if a change in schedule or task details occurs. By following these steps, you've just mastered the art of creating recurring tasks in Clickup. This effective method will certainly aid in keeping your projects organized, ultimately saving you time and effort. I hope this demonstration proves useful in optimizing your task management system. If you have any questions or additional tips, feel free to share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.